Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most underrated yet highly capable rocket artillery systems in modern warfare, the Israeli PULS rocket system. While many countries showcase their long-range firepower openly, Israel has developed a platform that stays relatively quiet in global discussions yet delivers extraordinary reach, precision, and adaptability. The PULS system represents Israel's hidden long-range power, a system designed not only for striking distant strategic targets but also for giving commanders flexible fire options across a massive range spectrum. In this video, we will explore how this system works, why it stands out, what makes it so adaptable, and how it places Israel among the world leaders in rocket artillery technologies. The PULS, short for Precise and Universal Launching System, is a multi-mission rocket artillery platform developed by Elbit Systems. At first glance it may resemble other modern MLRS systems, but its true strength lies in its modularity, precision strike capability, and ability to employ a wide variety of rockets. This modularity makes it a universal launcher, allowing different missile pods to be swapped out within minutes to perform roles ranging from short-range battlefield support to long-range strategic bombardment. Unlike traditional rocket artillery systems tied to specific calibers, PULS is a fully open architecture launcher that supports a family of rockets with ranges extending from 35 km to beyond 300 km. Its universal design gives Israel the power to engage almost any type of target at multiple depths of the battlefield without requiring different launcher fleets. At its core, PULS is a dual-pod launcher system mounted typically on a tactical 6x6 or 8x8 truck chassis, depending on the customer or mission requirement. The launcher can carry a variety of rocket pods, each tailored for specific battlefield roles. For example, it can fire the Acular 122mm rockets for close-range precision strikes up to around 35 km. These rockets combine traditional unguided artillery firepower with modern GPS-guided accuracy, turning them into pinpoint tactical weapons capable of hitting small enemy assets while greatly reducing collateral damage. For slightly longer ranges, PULS can field the Acular 160mm rockets, extending engagement capability to around 40 km with similar high accuracy and minimal SEP. However, where the PULS truly begins to differentiate itself from global competitors is in its mid- and long-range arsenal. The extra rockets, 306mm precision missiles, significantly increase operational depth, offering ranges of up to 150 km with near-surgical accuracy. These missiles allow Israel to strike fortified positions, command centers, infrastructure, and high-value strategic assets deep behind enemy lines. The extra missile gives commanders the ability to conduct operational-level missions using artillery platforms instead of relying solely on airpower, which may be restricted in contested airspace or during electronic warfare situations. Even more impressive is the Delilah GL missile, a long-range guided weapon capable of reaching distances beyond 250 km, depending on configuration. This missile is essentially a loitering, guided precision munition with the ability to autonomously identify and strike moving or relocatable targets. Integrating such a missile into a rocket artillery system elevates PULS from a traditional MRLS platform to a strategic strike weapon. Its ability to hit distant, dynamic targets makes it an invaluable asset in high-threat environments where situational awareness and rapid engagement determine success. PULS also supports the Predator Hawk missile, which delivers heavy long-range firepower at ranges up to 300 km while carrying a massive warhead suitable for destroying hardened structures, bunkers, runways, and critical infrastructure. This missile provides Israel with a quasi-ballistic long-range artillery capability that is otherwise only seen in the inventories of major military powers. The ability to mix light tactical rockets, mid-range precision missiles, and long-range heavy warheads within the same launcher is what makes PULS a true universal strike system. Another remarkable strength of the PULS system is its digital fire control suite. Operating with a fully computerized command, control, and targeting system, the platform can receive target data from drones, satellites, ground forces, or battlefield radars. This interconnectivity enables rapid sensor-to-shooter loops, drastically reducing the time between detection and destruction. The precision nature of its rockets means that even at extreme ranges, the system can reliably hit targets without requiring visual line of sight. This is crucial for modern warfare, where speed, precision, and minimal collateral damage define the effectiveness of long-range fires. PULS is also engineered for mobility and survivability. Its truck-mounted launchers enable rapid shoot-and-scoot operations, repositioning quickly after firing to avoid counter-battery threats. Unlike older tracked systems, which are heavier and slower, the wheeled chassis gives PULS agility on both highways and off-road environments. The quick reload time, achieved through pre-packed sealed pods, ensures it can be ready to fire again in minutes. This style of modular pod reloading is similar to high-end Western systems such as the U.S. HIMARS but offers even greater flexibility due to the wider variety of munitions supported. For Israel, where evolving threats and dense battlefield environments demand constant mobility, this is an essential capability. One of the strongest advantages PULS brings is cost efficiency. Airstrikes, precision bombs, and manned aircraft sorties are extremely expensive and carry higher operational risks. PULS, on the other hand, can deliver long-range precision effects at a fraction of the cost. It provides an alternative for missions where artillery can achieve the same result more efficiently. This cost-effectiveness allows sustained operations during prolonged conflicts without straining financial or logistical resources. Another key highlight is the export version of PULS, which has been adopted by multiple countries including the Netherlands, Denmark, and Azerbaijan, among others. The growing interest in PULS across Europe and Asia is a testament to its operational value and the trust nations place in Israeli defense technology. Countries purchasing the system often emphasize the universal design, modularity, and the fact that it does not require specialized infrastructure. Any compatible truck chassis can host the system. This adaptability allows foreign militaries to integrate PULS into their doctrine with minimal disruption. Beyond battlefield performance, PULS offers strategic advantages that align with Israel's defense philosophy of preemptive deterrence, precision dominance, and rapid response. The system's long-range strike options ensure that Israel can neutralize threats far before they reach its borders. For a country facing geographically small territory but highly diverse threats, a system like PULS provides strategic depth without needing large landmasses. Its capability to hit distant missile launch sites, staging areas, or command posts reduces the likelihood of prolonged conflict and enhances deterrence by demonstrating precision reach. The technical design of the launcher also supports rapid upgrades. Its open architecture framework allows the integration of new rockets, new navigation systems, and even future generation guided munitions without redesigning the entire launcher. This ensures the PULS system remains relevant as threats evolve. Given how fast modern warfare changes, this future-proof nature is a valuable characteristic that allows Israel and its allies to keep pace with emerging technologies. One of the lesser-known advantages of PULS is its minimal footprint. The launcher can operate with a very small crew due to automation in loading, targeting, and firing processes. This reduces manpower requirements and enables quick deployment. In addition, the sealed rocket pods improve safety and simplify logistics, as the munitions remain protected from environmental conditions until the moment of launch. Another aspect to consider is the strategic messaging behind systems like PULS. Israel does not often reveal the full details of its long-range strike capabilities, preferring to maintain ambiguity. This controlled secrecy enhances deterrence because adversaries cannot accurately gauge the system's true limits. PULS fits perfectly into this strategy. It is displayed publicly enough to demonstrate capability, yet its full potential remains largely undisclosed, leaving adversaries cautious and uncertain. In potential conflict scenarios, PULS gives commanders the ability to saturate broad areas with tactical rockets, conduct precision strikes on infrastructure, neutralize high-value targets in enemy depth, and support ground advances, all from a single platform. The flexibility to switch between different rocket types means that a single PULS battery can support multiple mission profiles in the same operation. This multi-role versatility significantly enhances operational tempo and battlefield efficiency. Looking at the broader defense landscape, the PULS system positions Israel as a major force in the global rocket artillery market. As more nations recognize the importance of long-range precision fires in modern warfare, particularly against peer or near-peer adversaries, the demand for systems like PULS continues to rise. With many countries seeking alternatives to traditional heavy MLRS platforms, PULS offers a modern, adaptable, and cost-effective solution. Another important advantage is interoperability. PULS can integrate seamlessly into NATO standard communication and command networks when configured for export customers. This makes it an attractive option for European nations seeking to modernize their artillery forces without relying solely on US or Russian systems. Its flexibility in platform integration, allowing installation on various truck types, adds another layer of appeal. The rise of drone warfare also enhances the relevance of PULS. Modern conflicts show that drones play a major role in reconnaissance, target acquisition, and battle damage assessment. PULS is fully compatible with drone-based targeting, enabling fast corrections and real-time precision. This dramatically increases kill probability and reduces wasted munitions. Israel, a leader in drone technology, naturally designed PULS with these integrations in mind. While the system provides many advantages, it also reflects Israel's doctrine of fighting smarter, not harder. Rather than relying solely on large numbers of tanks or fighter jets, Israel places high value on precision, intelligence integration, and rapid, decisive firepower. PULS is a perfect example of this philosophy embodied in a single platform. In conclusion, the Israeli PULS rocket system stands as one of the most versatile, precise, and strategically valuable artillery platforms in the world today. Combining long-range firepower, advanced guidance, modular design, and integration with modern intelligence assets, PULS offers Israel, and any nation that operates it, a highly adaptable tool capable of addressing a wide spectrum of threats. Whether delivering close-range tactical fire or executing strategic long-range strikes, PULS remains a hidden powerhouse in Israel's arsenal. As global conflicts evolve and the demand for precision long-range capabilities increases, the significance of systems like PULS will only continue to grow.